In today's video, I'll teach you how to order T-Mobile prepaid SIM card online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link, prepaid.t-mobile.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Prepaid T-Mobile. You'll be able to find various options over here. In this interface, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for more ways to get connected. You'll be able to find the options for bring your own phone, shop phones, shop tablets, shop add-ons. Simply click on this option, shop phones. Now once you do that, you'll be able to shop the prepaid phones and SIM cards over here. You'll be able to find the SIM cards. What you have to do is simply click on the prepaid SIM card that you would like to order. Now you'll be able to find the device details over here. You'll also be able to specify the quantity. You can simply choose the quantity according to your choice. After you're done, what you have to do is click on the select option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, that particular prepaid SIM card will be selected and added to your card. You can simply click on this option of card and you'll be able to view the card. Due to some reason, this interface is not loading for me, but it will open up for you. Once you're in the cart interface, what you can do is simply check out. In the checkout interface, you'll have to provide the informations like payment methods, billing informations, billing addresses, etc. After you provide all the informations, continue to place the order and your order will be placed. So like this, you'll be able to place the order for prepaid SIM card. So that is how you order T-Mobile prepaid SIM card online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.